All right, guys. So today for math, we're actually going to be creating something that's kind of cool. And it has a weird, funny name. It's called a Rekenrek. Rekenrek. Okay? And what this is it's something that you can use to help you count, add, and subtract. All right? So I'm going to just give you a little preview of what it's going to look like at the top. And now I'm going to show you how you can make another one down at the bottom because it's supposed to have two. Okay, so for this activity, you will need 2 pipe cleaners, some Fruit Loops, a background, something that's sturdy enough to hold the pipe cleaner and the Fruit Loops. If you don't have Fruit Loops, you can always use Cheerios, any cereal that has a hole in it. For my back, I just used 2 pieces of construction paper, okay? And some tape or something that you have to hold the back so that it doesn't move, okay? All right, so let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is get your pipe cleaner. And you are going to lay it in the middle so that there's room, there's ends on both sides, okay? So you don't want it like this. You don't want it like this. That's too much space on that side, okay? So you want some room on each side so that you can bend your pipe cleaner back. See, there's the end of my pipe cleaner, and I'm just gonna fold it over like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna place my tape on there so that it does not move. And you don't want it too close to the other one, so kind of space them out a little bit. Like that. Okay, that's enough space. I'm gonna get my tape and tape it in place. All right. We're not going to tape this other end just yet. Now what you're going to do, you're going to add your Fruit Loops, okay? And you want to add them by color, okay? So I have purple, blue, and orange on that bottom row. So my next colors that I'm going to use are yellow, green, and red. And I'm just going to slide them on like so. And I'm going to keep doing this until all of my Fruit Loops are on my pipe cleaner. How many do you put on? I just put 5 of each color, and then I'm going to put 5 at the top of each color. So I have 5 purple, 5 blue, 5 orange, and then I also have 5 yellow, 5 green, and 5 red. Okay, and I am just about done. And there we go. So there's my top row, okay? Now I need to make sure that this other end is taped down so that it does not fall off, all right? So I want to leave a little bit of space here. I'm going to leave a little bit of space in there so that it's not just stuck on the paper and we won't be able to move it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and bend that down like that and then tape it. Okay, and now I have my Rekenrek. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can use this to add and subtract. Okay, so if I have a problem, let's say 2, I'm going to use a simple one first. 2 plus 4. I'm going to move over 1, 2. And then on the bottom, I'm going to move over 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to count all together the ones that I moved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay? Now I'm going to show you. And when you're moving them back over, you might have to hold on to this part so that it's easier to just slide back over. Like that. Okay, now I'm going to do a subtraction problem. Okay, so let's do 10 minus 5. Okay, so I'm just going to use the top row for my subtraction. I'm going to pull over 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I have 10 over here, and I'm going to take away 5 from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what I have left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, is 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. All right, guys, it's your turn to make one. I want to see yours. And I want to see you do some addition and subtraction problems using your Rekenrek.